Subscribe now to stay updated with the latest car reviews and exclusive insights. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive content, where we bring you the most detailed reviews, specifications, and features of the most anticipated vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at the new 2026 Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of engineering and luxury that pushes the boundaries of speed and performance. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron builds upon its legendary predecessor with groundbreaking advancements in aerodynamics, powertrain, and technology. With its signature horseshoe grille and aggressive yet refined design, this hypercar maintains its unmistakable identity while introducing fresh elements for improved performance. The lightweight carbon fiber body has been meticulously sculpted to enhance airflow and stability at extreme speeds. Advanced aerodynamics, including an active rear wing and redesigned air intakes, ensure optimal downforce and cooling. Every curve and line serves a functional purpose, contributing to both aesthetics and efficiency. Under the hood, the new Chiron is powered by an improved 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, now tuned to deliver even more power. With an estimated output exceeding 1,600 horsepower, this machine is capable of astonishing acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.2 seconds. A recalibrated 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while the all-wheel drive system provides maximum traction for superior handling. The upgraded exhaust system enhances performance while producing a signature sound that defines the essence of a Bugatti hypercar. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Bugatti Chiron is a fusion of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Premium materials such as fine leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum create an opulent yet driver-focused environment. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time telemetry, while the advanced infotainment system integrates seamlessly with modern connectivity features. A state-of-the-art sound system, climate-controlled seats, and ambient lighting further elevate the driving experience. Every detail has been crafted to ensure comfort and sophistication without compromising the car's high-performance nature. The driving dynamics of the new Chiron have been fine-tuned to offer an unmatched blend of speed and control. A revised suspension system, coupled with adaptive dampers, provides improved ride quality and cornering stability. The latest electronic stability control and torque vectoring systems enhance responsiveness, allowing the driver to experience precise handling even at high speeds. The braking system features carbon ceramic discs with advanced cooling technology, ensuring exceptional stopping power under extreme conditions. Bugatti engineers have also optimized the steering system for sharper feedback, making the car feel more agile despite its immense power. In terms of technology and safety, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron is equipped with the latest driver assistance systems. Advanced sensors and cameras offer improved situational awareness, while high-performance traction control ensures stability in all driving conditions. The hypercar also features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a collision avoidance system, integrating modern safety measures without compromising its high-speed capabilities. Additionally, the vehicle's aerodynamics have been designed to enhance stability at speeds exceeding 250 miles per hour, ensuring a confident driving experience on both roads and tracks. With production limited to an exclusive number of units, the new Bugatti Chiron remains one of the most sought-after hypercars in the world. Each model is handcrafted with precision, and buyers can personalize their vehicle with a wide range of bespoke options. From custom paint finishes to unique interior trims, Bugatti offers an unparalleled level of customization to cater to the most discerning customers. Owning a Chiron is not just about performance but also about exclusivity and prestige. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron redefines automotive excellence, combining extreme power with sophisticated craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Whether on the track or the open road, this hypercar delivers an experience like no other. Its relentless pursuit of speed and luxury makes it a true masterpiece in the world of high-performance automobiles. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more exclusive content on the latest supercars and hypercars. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews on the most exciting vehicles in the automotive world.